Hello everyone, I have a very special flower today. This is a blue morning glory, and this was planted in May and now it's October. This is the first bloom, and I have tried to grow this vine up here on the 12th floor for several years in a row. I think this is my fourth attempt, and every time I've managed to get one bloom, if any. The wind would come and dry it out and destroy it almost immediately. Well, that hasn't happened this time. Upon my fourth attempt, so many months later, here we are. A perfect blue bloom. The morning glory, a member of the nightshade family. So are potatoes and tomatoes and eggplants and petunias and datura and so forth. So let's stop and appreciate this one. It's taken a long time.